Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can shuffle music in Spotify. So firstly, I will open up my Spotify. Then I will go to my library, and for example I will choose the folder named Alan Walker. I will just click on that. Now if you see at the right hand side, you will find a green play button with a tiny symbol on it. If you press that button, the entire playlist will start playing and it will automatically be shuffled. So that's one way of shuffling a playlist. So if I click down where the music is playing, you will see a shuffle icon with a dot below is enabled, meaning every single song in this playlist has been shuffled and will keep on playing. But so for example, if I choose any other music, for example Faded, you can see the shuffle feature has been turned off. What you can do is just simply click on that, and from the next song it will again start shuffling the music in the playlist. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.